Assalomu alaykum. Viktorinamizda qatnashuvchi birinchi talabamiz. O'zingizni tanishtirsiz?
Ismim Shuhratbekova Maxlora, birinchi bosqich talabasiman. 111-guruhda o'qiyman.
Qanday boshladik?
Okay.
Home away from home. Ma'nosi nima? Qachon ishlatamiz?
Home away from home. A place that you feel like at your home. Like a hotel. The environment very cozy. Means home away from home.
O'zbekchasi?
Ya'ni uydan boshqa birorta o'zini yaxshi his qiladigan joy bo'lish.
Hotel bo'lishi mumkin, boshqa joy ham bo'lishi mumkin, qayer bo'lsa ham. All right. Taking a break from the grind.
Ya'ni kundalik uy yumushlaridan ozgina tanaffus olish. Means taking a break from the grind means like a hustle and bustle maybe. Escaping the hustle and bustle in order to escape the home tasks.
To'g'ri. Yana shu ma'nodagi bitta idiomani aytdingiz. Okay. Staying in the lap of luxury.
Staying in the lap of luxury. O'ta ham yuqoridagi hashamatlarni qabul qilish, ya'ni shunaqa joyda turish.
Juda ajoyib. Endi siz menga savol berasiz.
Example berib, staying in the lap of luxury. Bu degani, ya'ni shunaqa hashamatli joylarda, ya'ni qulay joylarda qolish. A few months ago we visited a country and we stayed in the hotel and I felt myself like staying in the lap of luxury.
Oh, ajoyib, juda ham zo'r. Ko'rkamizda sovg'alarda nomlari yozilgan. Qaysi biri chiqib qolsa, shuni olib ketishi mumkin. Qani? Bitta qog'oz olasiz. Qaramasdan. Nima?
Daftar.
Daftar o, ana tanlab oling, xohlaganingiz. Zo'r ana, London bo'laman, London. Good.